Alright, so I'm going to tell you about my electronics and instrumentation project. The idea is to use a spiker box, which was originally designed for measuring the spike, kind of like an electronic impulse in biological tissue, in a cockroach leg. But I'm going to use it for something else. I'm going to use the spiker box to filter out a good portion of a song. I'm going to take a song off of my laptop, put it through the spiker box, filter out a specific band wave frequency, and amplify it. And then I'm going to take that frequency and light up a bunch of LEDs. So basically, I'm measuring the volume of a specific frequency band in a song. Okay, so this is a basic schematic of the spiker box, just the spiker box. Now, I'm going to go over the path I choose to go through. This is the power circuit over here. I didn't touch that at all. I'm leaving that exactly the same. This is the input to the spiker box. They write to cockroach leg, but really that's where the audio signal is going to come in. The audio signal goes through this thing called the instrumentation amp, which will give the signal a boost. I'm keeping that the same because I like this ×4 gain over here. And then it's going to go through the bandpass filter. I changed the numbers of the values of the resistors and the capacitors of the bandpass filter. So like I said before, I would filter through only a 1000 to 3000 hertz band. And then I'm going to cut this out of the circuit entirely and just have this hardwired directly to the rest of my circuit. Alright, now I want to show it to you. Okay, so this is my circuit. This over here is the spiker box. I kept it open so you could see everything. I'm outputting the power, the ground, and the output signal after it's filtered through from these 3 wires over here. Now the outputted signal goes to this over here, which is called a half-wave rectifier. It's what makes sure the AC signal gets converted to a nice DC signal, or at least something close. Then over here is the VU meter, basically a series of comparators, resistors, and LEDs that will make sure that the LEDs light up the higher the voltage is. But my spiker box will make sure that this only happens in the right bandwidth. Alright, I'm going to turn on the spiker box, and now I'm going to play a song.